Good morning, sir. This is Vanisha Sharma and Shweta Soni from CAC department final year. We have done our project in cloud computing and our title is Decentralized Access Control with Anonymous Authentication of Data Stored in Clouds. We have done our project using Visual Studio version 10, and for database connectivity we have used Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio version 4. We have, these are the codings, and this is the start page, file access request to admin page.aspx. We have used ASP.NET as a language for our program, and we have created in Visual Studio using a website. This is our project first page. This is a front view of our project. We have three kind of users, and we have used role based access control and attribute based access control for the access control of the project. For the new user, we go for the create an account, and we create an account like Vanisha, and the password will be we have three kind of users, that the creator, writer and reader, and all three kind of users have different duties in the project. For the creator, we can create the files or whatever it is, like a Google Drive, where the creator can upload the files in the cloud. The writer can write and as well as access the file which is already available in the cloud, and the reader can only access the file which is already available in the cloud. So first we'll create as a writer. We'll give the email address so that the website can confirm us the password. We can enter the phone number and the address, and like this the user can register in the website. We'll come for the home page and we'll try to enter. But as the access control is our main priority in the project, we cannot enter until unless admin will grant us the permission. So for the admin, we have the admin default password, because the website is maintained by admin, and we have admin password as well. As we have seen, the main whatever like users have registered in the website, it will come in the format like this. We have to select the user, as I have registered Vanisha, and we'll go for the write, and it has been provided the permission to access. We'll log out, and now we'll enter as the user which okay. क्या पासवर्ड दिया था? So we have logged in. In our already we have certain files which has been already uploaded by the admin. So if we'll select a file, for that also we need a admin permission to access those files, because the main purpose of our website was to provide access control and security. So like if there are already 4 files, if we select one file and we have selected the file, and if we'll try to view the file, we cannot view the file. So for that we have to select the file and we have to ask the permission, file access request to admin. We'll click that, and as we have registered as a writer, so we'll tell them the purpose why we need to access the file. So I'll write it here: to view and modify the file, and we'll send this request to the admin. And the request has been sent to admin. We'll go back and we'll log out, as we have a single user, like we are only the admin. So as an admin I have to perform the admin duty. As an admin I log in. See, we have data secured stored in clouds. This is the place where where the admin stores the files, because in our website only admin can upload the files. We have client information part and the client request view. So as the client, as a user, we have requested, so we'll click that, and we'll see that any request is there or not. So as Vanisha have requested to view and modify the file, so I'll select that, and I'll as an admin I'll allow that person to view. Now I'll go back, I'll log out, and I'll enter as a Vanisha user. So now I'll try to view the file. Here we also have the option that admin provide file access response. So we'll go and see the response. I have been provided with the access key. This key is used cryptography purpose for the security of the file, because the main purpose was to access control and anyone cannot view. So now I'll select the file. I have that access key for that file. I'll select the file, and now I'll try to view the file. I'll select file, open file. Now I have to put that access key. I'll decrypt that access key. Decryption is successful. Now I'll open the file and I can view whatever data was there in that file. So this was as I have registered as a writer, again I'll put that access key. Access key is used for the security purpose, which has been provided by the admin. See, as a writer I have registered, so I can reader tha kya? See, I do not have the permission to edit any file because I have registered as a reader. So now I'll log out. Now I'll again enter as a different user. Previously I have done for the reader. Now I'll do it for the writer. I'll enter the phone number as usual. I'll enter the address. I'll go for the home page. Again I'll enter as an admin.
45 seconds बाकी खोलिए ये accept the request.
I have granted the permission. Now I'll enter. क्या है यार?
And in this way the second user can also avail whatever data he wants to take from the data express control. And this is the project we have done. Thank you.
As we have shown previously about the reader and writer, about the users, about the number of users which we have created in the website, like the access control is based on user access control, user based access control, and role based access control. We have also taken care of the security in our website, as we have to upload the files, and the security should be maintained by the admin. So we have used for the encryption and decryption process of the files, to keep them secure, we have used KDC and ABS and ABE. Like ABS means attribute based signature for the encryption process of the files, and ABE means attribute based encryption, that is for the encryption and decryption. We have used two algorithms, as it is maintained by the admin, so the data stored in clouds, and it is stored by the admin only. None of the users can upload it. So for example, I'll show you, and our website can only upload text files, because it is meant to upload only text files, and it is not compatible for the doc and PDF file. For example, we have a file here. We have a text file here, like hackingtips.txt. We'll select that file. We have for the encryption process, we can enter 16 digits. So the number will be, so we have entered the encryption key. Now we'll encrypt and as we have encrypted, the select your or enter your key. So it has been encrypted and it has been uploaded. We'll go back. So we have the other option is that client information, where we can check the number of clients who have registered in our website. So this is the client information. We have client type, email ID, phone number and address, so that in future if any of the clients in our website have a problem, we can message or mail them through their number or by using their email ID. And we also have the address and the type of users how they are. And we have a client request view. This is done whenever any users request to access any kind of file as a reader, writer or creator. We grant permission from here. Already we have one pending request. So now we'll log out. So this was all about our project, decentralized access control, and we have taken care of the security, access control, and yeah, our decentralized access control also help us from replay attacks and user revocation. We have taken care of